Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just jumping on here real quick. This is not the actual video for today. I plan on doing another one as soon as I get off work. I think I'm going to try and do my AliExpress haul. But these are the kits that were bought and paid for already. And I just wanted to show you that these are also going to get a free gift package. Yep. Guys, I was just feeling generous. So let me show you what is in those free gift packages. Now, in this package that's in there, everything, it may be, it's going to be different. Each one will get one of my altered mini composition books. And then you'll get, may not be the exact same thing, but you'll get some of my handmade ephemera. Some of it is finished, some of it is not. But I just wanted to include some of this stuff. Each one will get one of my butterfly specimen tags that I've made. And then each one will also get some sort of larger type piece. Like this one has the, it's a little folio with some tickets in it. And then it already has the altered CD sleeve with a journal card in it. This one does. But each one of them has different of the homemade ephemera in it. That I wanted to include. I don't know, I need to get rid of some of this stuff, and I really don't know that I will make any more of those packages once these sell out, because they took me so long to get together. So that's what will be in that. And now this will be the same in each one. And so what I have put in here in each one is a coffee dyed glassine bag, coffee dyed vellum paper, one of the key drop envelopes, a little paper bag like that, a coffee dyed envelope. I have 2 guest checks in there, a seed pack, and then I put an entire set of these index card dividers. So this is 5, and I made sure that it's all 5, and they are coffee dyed already. Then I put 2 coffee dyed Rolodex cards, a smaller seed envelope, a blank tag, a coffee dyed tag, and then that little envelope. So each one will get that I'm sending out today. I cannot guarantee that every one will have this extra freebie in it, but you guys know me, you're going to get some sort of a freebie. It goes without saying. It's just what I do. But the ones that are going out today, you guys should probably have already received your email by now with your tracking number. But these will be sent out with this in there, and they are being shipped today via priority mail. So there you go, guys. Those of you that have already ordered, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And let's see if we, since I've already got you, let me see if I can hide the name. So the address is on the bottom there, so you cannot see it. And let me see if I can get this in there like that. And this one will go right on top of there. And so there's one ready to go. And that one is going to Margaret Hoffman. And this one is going to Talisha Harris. So let's go ahead and put hers in there. And there's her free gift. And next is Vicki Antonio. So here is yours. And your free gift. And then we have Anne Marie Bailey. And there's your free gift. And it looks like I may have just got another one come in. Let me see. So if I did, that one will also get it. Let me take a look real quick. So see, guys, I'm telling you, I'm just ready to get rid of some of this stuff. Yep, Okay, so Kathy Martin, I will send you an email, and I will go ahead and get yours packaged and ready to go as well. So Kathy Martin, as long as you pay whenever I send you the thing, yours will go out today too, and I'll make sure to include you one of those free product little things in there as well. All right, guys, that was it. See, short and sweet, and I'll see y'all in a little bit with a AliExpress haul. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.